How to change phone number on your Binance account. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to change phone number on your Binance account. Watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch Binance app on your device. Make sure to log in on your Binance account with the help of the login credentials. Tap on the profile icon at top left corner of the screen. You will get access to this section where you have to tap on your username at top of the screen and go to security section. Once you land on the security page, you have to scroll down, and below the password you will see a small arrow facing downward. Select that, and here you will see the option of phone number. Tap on it, and here as you can see that there is add phone number button, but if you already have a number added on your Binance account, you will easily see your Binance account phone number at top of the screen. Simply to change that, you have to click on the edit icon next to your phone number and then first verify your phone number. And after you verify your phone number, the change password section will appear, or change phone number section appears, where you have to enter your phone number and verify your phone number. After that, your phone number on your Binance account will be changed. So that's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching.